In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Edge opening automatically in Windows 10 and 11. If Edge keeps launching on its own, it can be annoying, but the fix is actually pretty simple. Let's go step by step. First, open Microsoft Edge. Once it's open, click on the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. From there, find and click on System and Performance. Now, look for an option that says Continue running background extensions and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. If this is turned on, switch it off. This helps prevent Edge from running in the background and opening by itself. While you're here, you might also see something called Startup Boost. This feature helps Edge open faster, but it can sometimes cause the browser to launch automatically. You can turn this off as well if you don't need it. Next, we'll check your Windows startup settings. Press the Windows key and I together to open Settings. Then go to Apps and select Startup. Here, you'll see a list of apps that start when your computer turns on. Find Microsoft Edge in the list, and if it's enabled, turn it off. This will stop Edge from opening when your system starts. After making these changes, restart your computer and see if the issue is resolved. And that's how you fix Microsoft Edge opening automatically. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.